Hello guys, and welcome back to OMS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix your microphone not working for PC. So like your microphone doesn't work for Discord, for like Fortnite, for Valorant, etc. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys can do is simply go ahead and open up settings. Now from settings you're going to go to Bluetooth and devices, and then you're going to click on devices. Now the microphone you are using is going to be under audio, and you should see it here. So like for example, my mic is called Blue Snowball and I see it here. And if you do not see the name of your microphone here, what you use to talk, that means it's clearly not plugged in, and you're gonna have to plug it in. However, if it is plugged in and you still don't hear it, or you just know it's obviously not working, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on these three horizontal dots right next to the name of the microphone, and you're gonna hit remove device. Now after you do that, you're gonna simply re-plug it in, and then check to see if that fixed. However, if the error still persists, the second method you guys can do is you're gonna click on this arrow key kind of right here, and then you're gonna go to this button right here. Now from here it should go to microphone, and maybe you're connected to a headset that doesn't work. So maybe I'm connected to headset microphone even though my actual mic is Blue Snowball, and I'm simply just gonna click on it and then change it from here. And yeah, so that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.